Welcome to Gaya Gaya Recipes, where I show you my Gaya Gaya versions of restaurant dishes. For this video, gagayahin natin ang beef pepper rice ng Pepper Lunch, and this is how you make it na di madamot sa beef. Para sa akin, yung sauce talaga ang nagdadala ng beef pepper rice ni Pepper Lunch, so let's make the honey brown sauce. Mix soy sauce, honey, miso, and garlic, pero kung wala kang miso, pwede ka din gumamit ng oyster sauce to make the garlic soy sauce. Boiler heat in the microwave until dissolved, and set aside while we make the beef pepper rice. Medyo napadami yung butter ko, so add less butter, white rice, and thinly sliced beef. Beef samgyup cut pala ang ginamit ko, pero kung may mas manipis pa na cut, mas okay yun. Top with corn, green onions, and butter, add the honey brown sauce, and mix together. Sa sobrang sabaw ko, nalimutan ko maglagay ng black pepper, so wag nyo akong tularan at maglagay kayo ng black pepper sa pepper lunch nyo. And yeah, that's how you make beef pepper rice. O yan, gayahin nyo na.